Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence with a special focus on OpenAI latest creation, Sora. And let's get started. OpenAI has been at the forefront of AI research and development for years, and their latest project, Sora, is no exception. Sora is an advanced language model built on the GPT-4 architecture, capable of understanding and generating human-like text. It's designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, from writing articles and essays to generating creative content like stories and poems. One of the most impressive aspects of Sora is its ability to understand context and generate coherent and relevant responses. It can analyze text, identify patterns, and generate responses that are not only grammatically correct but also contextually appropriate. This makes it a powerful tool for content creators, writers, and researchers looking to streamline their workflow and generate high-quality content quickly. Sora works by processing input text and generating output based on its understanding of the context. It uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques to analyze and generate text. This allows it to generate responses that are not only accurate but also tailored to the specific needs of the user. Sora has a wide range of potential use cases. For example, it can be used to generate content for websites, blogs, and social media posts. It can also be used to assist with research and writing tasks such as summarizing articles or generating outline for essays. Additionally, Sora can be used to generate creative content such as stories, poems, and even music lyrics. And now, if we want to know how to try this OpenAI Sora, it's not yet allowed. Sora announced today is in the red teaming phase, undergoing adversarial testing to prevent harmful or inappropriate content. OpenAI is granting access to select visual artists, designers, and filmmakers for feedback, aiming to advance the models for creative professional benefits. However, the true impacts on creative professionals will only be known once Sora is publicly available and utilized by businesses. In my conclusion, OpenAI Sora is a powerful language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume content. Its advanced capability and wide range of use cases make it a valuable tool for content creators, writers, and researchers alike. If you are interested in learning more about Sora or trying it out for yourself, be sure to check out OpenAI's website for more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.